In this demo, I'm going to show you how to create this just listed graphic using Canva. To get started, we're going to create a blank page, so just click this little plus sign at the top. And we're going to add this template inside it. So you can just click on this template and it'll automatically pull in. Once we have our template in place, we're going to want to replace these images. So a good rule of thumb I like to give you guys is to upload the images that you find most appealing after you take in your listing images. So you can go over here to the upload section in the left hand corner and click this upload an image or video button. Click on device. And this is how you can upload all the images from your computer. I already have my images uploaded to make this go a little bit faster, so let's just get started. So if you'll notice up here, the images that I've chosen are very particular. So I've chosen an image of the front of the house, an image of the back of the house, and then I chose two of the most sought after features when looking for homes, the kitchen and the master bathroom. You can use any type of photos you wish. Again, I would just use the most eye-catching or the photos that are going to bring the most traffic. So to pull in the photos, all you're going to do is click on the image that you want to bring into your graphic and drag it over, like so. Now once it's in the actual frame it needs to go in, you can double click and you can actually edit and move around this photo. So I'm going to bring the front of the house a little bit closer, and so you guys can see just how easy it is to kind of edit and move your photos around inside each frame. So now we have the first one. Let's go ahead and get the backyard in there. So I like to keep them catty corner. So as you can see, I have the front of the house, back of the house, and then I'm going to have kitchen and master bathroom. And I just kind of like to keep things aligned this way. It kind of draws the eye to all four of the squares where these pictures are going to be. So up in the top right hand corner, we had this kitchen image. Might bring that one up a little bit closer. There we go. And then last but not least, we have this master bathroom image. Now, if you've noticed, I have two images for master bathrooms. Let's see what happens when I pull this other one in. When I pull this other one in, it just doesn't look like that great of a master bathroom to me, and that's something you want to keep in mind. These pictures are going to be very small when they're posted on your social media because they're all part of one graphic. So one thing to keep in mind is you want to bring pictures that actually bring the feel of the home, even though they'll be small. So the reason I chose this other master bathroom photo was because you can see that cool walk-in shower with the window, and then you can see the rest of the bathroom, but the coolest part is going to be that walk-in shower. So that's why I chose that picture over the other master bathroom picture, and I hope that helps you when you're trying to figure out which pictures to use in your own graphics. Now the next thing we're going to do is actually mess with the color scheme and get it to match our photos. So to do that, you're going to click on the background of this, I guess it could be considered a dark blue box. And then you'll click on the color square up in the top leftish corner right here. So here you can see it has photo colors, and this is actually pulling in colors from all of these different pictures so that we can get a color scheme that kind of matches. Since we are doing more of a fall, it is fall, I'm going to play around with some of these darker colors, maybe a green. In the original example, I chose this color, this blue color, as you can see, and I changed the font to green. I'll show you how to change the font in just a second. Let's kind of go through and see the differences that it can make just to change the color in your graphic. So see, when I pick green, some of the greenery from these other images pulls out. When I pick the brown, some of the brown from the hardwood floors in the kitchen pulls out. I'm going to stick with this blue because I really think it pulls out the view from this photo down below. Now the font. So to change the font, you're going to want to double click where the font is. And once you see that text box appear, you can go up here to the A where the text color is, and you can change that color. Again, I like to use the photo colors or the document colors just to give it an overall color scheme and to make it all kind of blend. So I'm going to change both of these fonts to this green color. And that's the last thing we have to do. There you have it, guys. So now all we need to do is download this graphic. So click this download button up here. You're going to want to change PNG to JPEG because JPEG is the only thing that's going to be able to post. If you download it in PNG, you're going to find that when you go to post it on social media or when you go to transfer it over to your phone, it's not going to work. Just want to make sure that you change this to the JPEG. And then you also want to make sure that you are clicking on the individual graphics that you want to download. If you were to download both of these together, it would download in a zip file, which is totally fine. But just to save me time, I just want this individual graphic to download. So I'm just going to click download. And there you have it. Now it's downloading, and once it's fully downloaded, there we go. Now it's fully downloaded, I can go ahead and share this to myself, I can email it to myself, and I can post this directly on social media. You can also use Facebook Creator Studio and post this to social media without having to send it to your phone.